Page 11, starting with number 3. 7 subtracted from 3 times the number is 44. Here's my is. So I'm going to look at this. And then this is just 44, so that's easy. All this is on this side. 7 subtracted from. I'm taking 7 from something else. 3 times the number. 3 times the number, subtract 7 equals, yep, it is B. I used in, they used X. I prefer N, personally. Go down to the bottom. This is all vocabulary. The number factor of a variable term is called the. So these are all variables, and yeah, they're variable terms. When you have a number in front of it, what is that number called? Here's your variable term. The number in front of it is called the numerical coefficient, or just coefficient would be fine. But numerical coefficient means the same thing. It's just extra wordy. Number 9, terms that are exactly the same except they have different numerical coefficients are called. So these are all the same except each one has a different coefficient, right? But the rest is exactly the same. Yes, they're variables, but what is it about them that's exactly the same? What do you call them? They are called like terms. Like terms. You add them together because they're like terms. Number 10, the addends on an algebraic expression are called the of the expression. What that means is everything that you're adding together. Whoops. All of these that you're adding together, could be septuagens too, but they just said addends. So what are all these things called? They're called terms. I'm going to let you do the final answer. Make sure you don't forget it, please. A term that is a number only is called a, so not this one. That's a variable term, that's a variable term, that's a variable term. That one is the number only. This one right here. What is this called right here? Is it a numerical coefficient, a solution, a variable, or a constant? You decide. Page 12, let's go straight to number 4. That's the one we'll do together. There are only 5, so you can handle the others. Linda has Y fancy pendants. Kathy owns 12 fancy pendants, which is 4 times as many as Linda. We are going to write an equation. Linda has Y fancy pendants, so Linda is Y. Kathy owns 12 pendants, which is 4 times as many as Linda. So 12 pendants, which is 4 times as many as Linda. Linda's Y. So it's going to be this right here. Or this. All this is it's the same thing, just in a different order. 4y equals 12, 12 equals 4y, same thing. B. You do the others because you can.